Hello guys, welcome back to another video my friends. DGB coin. In this video I'm talking about the price prediction of the Digibyte 2021 my friends. This video is going to be very interesting for all of you my friends, so never miss any second of this video for more and better understanding my friends. And also before starting this video, I request all of you to please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, first of all, we talk about the current price of the DGB coin Digibyte. You can see here 0.038615 USD dollar is the current price of the Digibyte. On the other hand, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Digibyte, so you can see here my friends that only and only the latest situation, the last 1 hour, changes of the Digibyte is negative, except after last 1 hour, the previous last 1 day, last 1 week. The previous both changes is positive of Digibyte. So this means that in a previous time, the Digibyte started jumping from the last 1 week, from the last 7 days, the Digibyte starts jumping, and still they are in the jumping mode, my friends. So that's why I want to predicate Digibyte coin in 2021. You know what, my friends, my target for a Digibyte is $1 USD to the last half 2021. They can hit a $1 USD, they can reach $1 USD to the last half 2021 easily, my friends. I'm sure about that. Let's see the price chart. You can see, my friends, after 20 July, 21, 22, 23 July, on these days the Digibyte start jumping. But you can see here at some point, I'm talking about this and now current again price. At some time the price of Digibyte falls down, and now as I show you my friends that the last hour changes is negative. So that is a temporary fast, same like here occurs. At this time the price falls down, again jump. It seems like that now at this time the price falls down, and after some passage of falls, the price will again jump, my friends. So my prediction is going positive on Digibyte, and I'm sure that they give you profit, not a loss in the future, my friends. So just hold it to the last half 21, and I hope you get good amount of profit. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.